Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We'd greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we'll be talking about a Rolex Datejust 36 with a silver sunburst dial with index hour markers on a Jubilee bracelet, reference number 126234, a classic model in Rolex's line of Datejust 36s. As the name suggests, the Datejust 36 is 36mm in diameter from finger to thumb, and is made of white Rolzor, Rolex's own compound of 18-karat white gold and oyster steel for strength and corrosion resistance, while maintaining a luxurious look and feel, a formula featured on Rolex models since the early 1930s. The caseback contains the typical screw-down caseback, helping to ensure water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet. In addition to this, the right side contains the signature Rolex winding crown, which when screwed tightly to the case, ensures that superior water resistance. The crystal on the front is the sapphire, scratch-resistant sapphire, so there's no fear of suit threads or buttons damaging the crystal. There's a Cyclops lens directly over the date for easy reading at a glance. The bezel is the fluted style bezel, capable of attracting attention from anywhere in the room with its textural look and practical legacy. Originally, this fluted look was made for the function of screwing the bezel onto the case to ensure waterproofness, but over time, it simply became an aesthetic element, and today is a mark of distinction, and it is always in gold. In this case, white gold, to match the oyster steel and the white gold on this watch. The dial contains a sunray silver with index hour markers raised up, also in 18-karat white gold settings, with applied chromolite display onto the hour markers. Also, the minute and hour hands also have that same chromolite display. And for demonstration, we can turn out the lights here so you can see what it looks like at night or in low light situations. And there you have it. The way that the inner bezel also reflects, it has that high polish as well. It also reflects those index hour markers, so it gives it an extra very nice little accent to those nice blue turquoise sort of chromolite display applications on those index and the hands as well. All right, and turning the lights back on. Note that there is also a date window at the 3 o'clock position. I'll move the minute hand out of the way for you in just a moment here. Okay. All right, and more information on how I did that in a second. But just so you know, there's the 12 and 3 hours that are the only ones without the index markers, and those are taken by the Rolex crown in 18-karat white gold, and the date aperture, which shows you the date for easy reading at a glance. All right, this crown contains the Rolex logo and ensures water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet. And just as I showed you, it has all the functions as you would expect from a Rolex. Simply unwind the crown to the first position and you can wind the watch should you have ever set this watch down for a long enough time that it actually stops. Just a few winds gets it going again. Pulling it out to the next position, you can then rotate it clockwise continually so that you can actually advance the date. Now it's about a quarter turn to advance the date by 1. All right, so very easy. If you get to, say, February 29th, then you need to advance it to March 1st, or February 28th and advance it to March 1st. It makes it very easy. Pulling it out to the final position actually stops the seconds hand, so there's that seconds hacking, so you can set the time precisely as you'd like. Press the crown back in, screw it back against the case to ensure that superior water resistance. And doing so actually starts up the seconds hand once more. All right, and so what makes all of this happen is Rolex's newer in-house movement, a 32-35 caliber with a ±2 second time differential per 24 hours, continuing to assist the Swiss standards of timekeeping. It is a perpetual mechanical and self-winding timepiece, so you only need to wind it once fully while wearing it to allow the timepiece to continue winding throughout the day. The oscillator contains high-performance Paraflex shock absorbers and a Siloxy hairspring in silicon to prevent electromagnetic interference, as well as resist temperature changes, keeping the movement consistent in nearly any condition: summer, winter, winter snowstorm, or even a California wildfire, you name it. This will keep the time just fine. The power reserve is also 70 hours long, so you can actually set it down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Monday morning, ready to conduct business, and it'll be keeping track of time just fine. No need to wind the watch. All right, and the final piece of this is the Jubilee style bracelet with the 5 piece links all the way across, the middle links with a high polish, the outer 2 links with a satin brushed finish, with the high polish on the sides, as you would come to expect from Rolex. And there's a nice brush finish underneath, a little bit harder to see there, but there it is. All right, and the thing holding this all together would be the Oyster clasp. It's a simple fold-over clasp with the Rolex logo inside, very easy to open as well. And while I have it open, I can try it on and give you some more of my thoughts. All right, now note that my wrist is about 7.5 or 7.25 inches in circumference, so it's actually, a bigger fit for me because this one is not sized. This has all of the links on it, but looking at it on the wrist, it does have, let me zoom out here, it does have a very good ratio at 36 millimeters. It's a very good size for me because I get a good ratio of case to bracelet, so I can also see as well as also feel this bracelet. It's very soft and very nice, especially with the Jubilee presentation. It just feels very regal, feels very smooth. All right, and when it comes to color, well, there's not a whole lot going on here, but maybe that's exactly what you want, because I'm thinking that this will go with, say, any white or silver type of dress, so that if you are going out and perhaps going out on the town, if you wear a white suit or white dress, this will blend in very nicely and be a very good supplementary accessory, as well as tell the time as well. If you wear say a dark suit or dark dress with this watch, this is a high contrast accessory. So if you want to have people actually see your Rolex, wear a dark suit or dark dress and people will notice. Very easy to see, especially with all this white and all this silver going on here. It's a very nice timepiece, a very good ratio on my wrist, which is about standard size. All right, so enough of my thoughts. What are your thoughts on this timepiece? Let us know down in the comments below what you think, and be sure to leave a like, as it really helps our channel out. Be sure to share this video with anybody looking for the next watch or is perhaps upgrading their Datejust to one of these, a 36, with a little bit more sparkle. And don't forget to subscribe, click that bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video. Don't forget, if you want this or any other watch, be sure to put in your order at jazztime.com. Links in the description below.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.